Let's talk series, Mom and Dad. I can imagine that our parents are usually very busy with work. But during the rehabilitation process, parents' support is very important. For example, we can spend some time after dinner and have a casual chat to practice conversations and pronunciation. Being able to have conversations with our parents is extremely helpful to us. Rewards work every time. We would love to hear praises from our parents. It would be nice too if we can get to play or have our favorite snack. I love those Pret sticks when I was a kid. So, whenever I showed some improvements in my therapy sessions, I was rewarded with a packet of Pret sticks. Or I was allowed to play with my favorite toys for 1 to 2 minutes. It would really cheer me up. Slowly, we would like to practice more naturally. That's all for this time. See you all next time.